Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open properties in Adobe Animate. So yeah, um, we have also keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl and F3. I think I need that like so. As you can see, we have it right here on the right side. You see the changes. Now, if you don't want to use keyboard shortcuts, you can go here to the Windows at the top tab, and then from here select properties right over here, just like that. Now if the panel opens as floating window and you want to lock it back to its standard spot on the right side of your screen, what you're going to do is click and hold the text tab that says properties. Let's say we have it now floating. Now click and we will just drag it right over here, uh, like so. And now we have it here on our right side. And this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next